So you think you got the combined gas laws down?
Let's put it to the test.
Here's two problems that show the formula in action. Question 1. Hydrogen gas has a volume of 100 milliliters at 1 atmosphere of pressure and 273 Kelvin. If temperature and pressure are changed to 546 Kelvin and 0.5 atmospheres, what will be the new volume of the gas?
Let's plug it in. Pressure 1 is 1 atmosphere, volume 1 is 100 milliliters, and temperature 1 is 273 Kelvin.
And we know two of our change conditions. Pressure 2 is 0.5 atmospheres, and temperature 2 is 546 Kelvin.
And now we can solve for the unknown new volume.
In these change conditions, our new volume will be 20 milliliters.
Question 2. At constant temperature, what is the new volume of a 3-liter sample of oxygen gas if pressure is changed from 0.5 atmospheres to 0.25 atmospheres?
Let's bring up the formula and plug in what we know.
Our initial volume is 3 liters and our initial pressure is 0.5 atmospheres.
And temperature is... well, we don't know, but we do know that it's a constant.
Since it doesn't change, we know it won't affect our system. It could be anything. So let's just consider it to be 1.
With our formula set up, it's easy to solve for our new volume.
Our pressure dropped by half and our volume doubled. The new volume of the sample is 6 liters.